So let's go through a grade 9 question on Surds. So we have been given a fraction and we want to write in this form where A, B and C are all integers. So same with any fractions, let's get the denominator the same. So I will multiply this side by root 3 and multiply this side by 4 minus root 3. So we would have the denominator on this side as root 3 multiply by 4 take away root 3, and then at the top we have 3 root 3 and times by another root 3. Now the other fraction, so we got two lots of 4 minus root 3, so make sure you put this into brackets because it has more than one term, and then over root 3 times by 4 minus root 3. Now let's try simplifying this. So we can write a fraction as just one denominator. So root 3, 4, take away root 3. And we're going to start multiplying out and simplifying the top bit. Root 3 times root 3, that is just 3. And then times by that 3. So it's going to be 3 times 3 at the top. Take away 2 times by 4, which is 8. So in other words, minus 2 times by 4 is minus 8. Then negative 2 times by minus root 3 is going to be plus 2 root 3. Okay, so the next bit is we can start simplifying the numerator further. 3 times 3 is 9. So that bit is 9. So 9 take away 8 is 1. And then 1 plus 2 root 3 at the top. And then if we multiply this out, that's going to be 4 root 3 take away root 3 times by negative root 3. That is going to be minus 3. So now we can rationalize the denominator. So that means whatever you have as a denominator, we multiply the denominator with a same set of bracket but with the opposite sign. So 4 root 3 plus 3, and we multiply the top by 4 root 3 add 3. So let's multiply this all out. So put that into a bracket. We have 4 times 1, which is 4 root 3. So 1 times 4 root 3 that was. And then 1 times 3 is 3. And then 2 root 3 times by 4 root 3. 2 times 4 is 8. And then root 3 times root 3, that's going to be 3. So 8 times by 3 is 24. And then the last two terms, 2 root 3 times by 3, that is going to be add 6 root 3. And denominator is going to be, let's try that in a different color. So 4 root 3 times by 4 root 3. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. And then root 3 times root 3 is just 3. So 16 times by 3 is 48. And then 4 root 3 times by 3 is plus 12 root 3. And then we will have minus 3 times by 4 root 3. That's minus 12 root 3. And then we have, finally, we got minus 3 times by plus 3. That's going to be minus 9. Okay, so let's now simplify and see what we get. So at the top there, we got 4 root 3, add 6 root 3. That's going to be 10 root 3. And then we have 3 plus 24, that's 27, over. We have plus 12 root 3, take away 12 root 3, that just cancels out. And then 48, take away 9, that is going to be 39. So your answer would be A is a 10, B is 27, and C is 39.